What's with this game and carrots? Wait, Catwoman? What are you doing here? I thought it was Bane. Hello everyone, I am Matt Phantom. Welcome back to Lego Batman, the video game. Now, last time left off, let's see. We entered, we did the boat thing. And we fought Catwoman and, fought Killer Croc as well. And now we're apparently going to the zoo. To, do something in there. Probably face someone in there. But before we do that, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support much pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome, and yeah, don't forget the like button, comment down below. What's your favorite thing about... let's see, what am I going to say? What's your favorite thing about the OG Lego Bat boat? What do you like about it? Do you like that it kind of looks like a boat, actually? Or what? Anything. And don't forget to join Dragon Arts. Sorry. And don't forget to join Dragon Arts by subscribing and ringing the bell icon so you get notified whenever and whatever upload. Alright. So. Let's go ahead and go to number 4. Zoo. Zoo Company. Alright, who are we facing? Let's see. Alright. Dr. Kirk Langstrom, aka the Man-Bat, was an experimental in mammalian biology who tested a serum on himself to try to cure his growing deafness. Really? Huh. Unfortunately, the serum turned himself into a man-sized bat, making him stronger, and giving him the ability to fly. I mean, he just gives him wings. Alright. See. Again, we're traveling by boat, never by road during this. Would only make it logical, but whatever. We're not doing logic. Let's see. Oh look, we're at the zoo. Penguin! What are they doing in the frog exhibit? What? Are you going to leave your thing there? Well, look like the frog's has a grudge against Robin. All right. Let's see. Oh God, here we go. Oh, good job, Robin. Ooh, building. All right, what are we building today? Look, you ruined my painting. My building. There. Go away. Ugh. Why you come out of nowhere? All right, let's finish this off. And presto. Alright, I'm gonna ride. Yay, I feel like a little kid again. Oh, I've got money? I got paid while I'm on this? Do I get paid more? I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Okay. Nah, I think that was it. Anywho, can't go in there, obviously. See. There is something over there. Can't get in there, though. Oh, I can get in here. Come on. There we go. I gotcha. There we go. Nice. Anywho. There. I broke it. Who is it? Who is this for? Batman. What did you get? Gliding suit. I don't know how this will work. Alright. Where are you supposed to glide from? Let's see. Obviously, I'll have to go up there. And the only problem is, I don't know how to get up there. Okay. I see a lot of trash around. Oh, am I supposed to go in there? Okay. I'm coming in. Oh, look. Robin's magnetic suit. Go ahead, Robin. Nice. Alright. Looks like we also... You have to have your... Either your trash suit or something. Let's see. Well, there is another way out from there. Go away! What the heck was that? How did you do that, Robin? Come on! There we go. Alright. Let's go climb up. Nice. Perfect. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's how. And there we go. Your turn, Batman. Just grab those and go up there. And there's also... How did you do that? There we go. Come on, Batman. What's with the slippery boots? Alright? This isn't ice physics. Try again. There we go. Glide. Ha-ha! Nice. That's what I wanted to do. That's not what I wanted to do, but it is what it is, I guess. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's it? Besides those. That's it? Oh, well. Let's see. Can I glide over there? Yes. Can I do anything? No. Okay. I'll go over here. I can build something over here. Oh, what am I going to build? Hey, it's our handy-dandy tractor. Here we go. Make a way. Coming through. I don't have insurance. There we go. There we go. Come on. I got you. Come on. There. What the heck? Die. Thank you. Okay. Lions! Nice. That's cool. Ooh, we can go over here and get some goodies. Nice. These look like stairs. They are stairs. Anyways. Want to come down so I can fight you? There we go. See, I see some peeps over there. Go away! There. Okay. So, I can't go in there. These mother stuffers. They just don't learn. Do they? Ay, ay. Okay. Oh, okay, I see how. I think we gotta... No? Never mind. Okay. So we're in a pickle. Did I have to drive this along? Let's see. Yeah, I had to. Whoopsie poopsies. Did not mean to do that. It was an accident. Accidente. I can go through there. Oh yeah. Nice. There we go. You're free, animals. Go run. Make some monks. Hey, my sonar suit. Get over here. Die. There we go. Okay. So. I need to do this. What is Rob again? It's techno suit. Perfect. Where are we using the techno? Probably not there. Let's see. Why would I get Robin's techno suit? I'm not sure. Wait, Batman. You can glide over there. Are the lions friendly? Oh, multi-score. Let's go. see. Okay. I'm dead. Oh no, I'm alive. Okay. Let's see. Try this again. Ay, ay, ay. This time this will work. There we go. Oh, let me get that. There we go. All was well with life. Guess that's it for this area. Okay. Let's see. Can we ride on the elephants? Yes, we can. Do they poop? No, I guess not. Okay. Why do I have Techno Robin? Oh. Okay. Alright. Oh. Here, I think that's how I use, where I use Techno Robin. Get all his good yellow coins. I think they're called gold. Okay, that's not it. I mean, that's partially it, but there's something more I have to do. Okay, that's not really operating. Truly. Let's see. Alright. Okay, that looks like it still goes. Let me get Batman. And let's see if we can glide over there. Well, you can't hit them, Robin. No matter how hard you try. Okay. What's this? Oh? Robo Turtle! Nice. Now you can. Now Robin can use that. No. Wait. Don't mind me. I'll be just trying to go over there. There we go. Robo Turtle, go! Alright. What? Why do I need Robo Turtle, by the way? Oh. So I can do this. There we go. Don't worry, civilian. I'm here to save you. There we go. Nice. Alright, Batman. Time for your sonar suit. There we go. And use that. And use that. I said use that. Why aren't you braking? Come on. Brake. Whatever, fine. Oh, wait a second. How am I supposed to get over there? Then. I just realized. I can't even really get over there. Without the glide suit. Alright. So, glide over here. Maybe I'm supposed to break. Ah! There we are. Okay. Oh, look at that! That thing has a bat signal now. Oh, never mind. It's gone. And my life is sad. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's switch out. Put on my sonar suit. Sonic suit, I guess. And brake. Thank you. Alright. Oh, we're almost a true hero. Let's go. Alright. See. Oh, there's some guards. Hey, peeps, what's up? Goodbye. There we go. Hey, you want some more? Oh, we got a buttload of peeps. Come on. And like that, Batman taking them out. All out. Ooh, superhero! There! Nice! Oh, that was actually our first mini kit. Huh. Uh-oh. Okay. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we can go over there. Alright, see something, but we can't get in there because we don't have freeze power. And no one on our team has Mr. Freeze's cold power. Nice. That was fun. Okay. So, we need to break stuff. Ooh, Batman's turn. Oh, what we gonna get today? I don't know, but it's probably good. It's gonna be good. What is it? Bomb! Batman's bomb suit. Alright. Perfect. And now we can climb up. That kind of looked like a collectible thing. Come on. Get up there. Thank you. Okay. Well, we can't lift that up because we don't have super strength. Anyways, let's go back in our bomb suit. I don't know why Batman wanted to go back to his sonic suit. There we go. Jump. And what? What kind of... Ow! Go away! Bat shark. You're not a shark, you're a... whatever you are. Bad alligator. Alright. Guess I gotta use this. There we go. It looked like it worked. Let's go down here. Whee! Alright, so... where is Langstrom? Let's see... Okay, wait. Oh! Robin's right... Oh, he fell. There you are. Hey, Kirk. What's up? Let's see... Time to fight you. Come on. There we go. Alright. Now let's build this for some apparent reason. Just because we can. What? What are you throwing? Oh, those are bombs! Oh. Oh, that's deadly. That's bad. What the heck? Yo, what the heck kind of visuals are these? The platform disappears. What in the heck? Let's see. Do I break this? Yes, I do. Okay. Now let's build. Not do that bomb. There we go. And now, oop, didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna grab this so they don't go to waste. Alright. Can I push this? No, not yet. Okay. What other puzzles do I need to do? What? I thought I did. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. That's right. Okay. Sorry, it kind of looked like... Hello. Nice. Now you're on the ground. Oh, what the heck, Bat? Why'd you gonna have to do that? There. Now I gotta rebuild all this stuff again. There we go. And unfortunately I don't get the money. There we go. Go ahead and do this. Yep. Come on. Now let's face you. Come on. Okay. Where you going? Why you keep on flying up there? Come on. Go away. Go. There. Alright. Gotta rebuild this again. Place our bombs. Not on purpose, but just because that happened. Hang on. There. Sorry, Robin. You're in the way. There. There we go. Hello. Take this. And some of that. And some of this, too. Okay. Let's go ahead and build this again. Come on. There. And there we go. Nice. Now let's go ahead and push this. Take this and that. Come on. There we go. Nice. We gotcha, Man-Bat. Uh-huh. Let's see. Come on, come on. Whoa, what's going on? Whoa. Okay. Uh-oh. You're in a bat burrito. Okay. Well, we got Man-Bat. That's cool. Nice. So the last two members that need to be catched are Bane and Penguin. Nice. Yes, I got superhero, because I am the superhero. We got so much good money. We're almost in 1,000. Wow. That is so cool. And we only got one. Yeah. Alright, continue story. Man, we're almost done with this. Okay. Who we got? Oswald Chester Cobblepot. His middle name's Chester? A.K.A. the Penguin. What is it? David, whatever that word is. Crime boss. Deville, I know that word, but I somehow can't pronounce it. Crime boss, who is seldom spent without one of his track umbrella. He can use his umbrella to glide and it keeps penguins bombers under penguin bombers under his hat. Okay, which can be displayed at will, dispatched at will. Okay. So, looks like we're in the... Oh, look! It's a little penguin. Oh, that's a bad penguin. Okay. Well, oh, sorry, officer. Alright. Uh-oh, we're getting mugged by penguins. Well, let's go. We gotta face penguins. Literally. There we go. Alright, gotta go up there. And, come on, die. Wanna go? There, you shouldn't have messed with me. How did you do that? Okay. Wait, how do I get in there? I think I need sonar suit or something. Ooh, carrot. Go away! Go away! There. Alright. So, let's go and build this. Perfect. And climb up there so I can glide. There we go. And take this. Goodbye. Alright, so I can glide. Take this. Come on. Come on. Almost there. There. Okay. Come on. Go away. Alright. Oh, I need to find pieces. Found them. Robin, what are you doing in the water? Nope. No, you're not supposed to do that, Batman. Hey, hey. Go away. Okay. Let's go ahead and build this. There. And grab that. Nice. Now pump the raft. Come on. And there we go. Nice. Alright, Robin, you can climb up. Let's see. Something tells me I need to do that. Okay. And there. Perfect. Now I need to build something with these. What am I building? Oh, it's a heat lamp. Okay. What is Robin do? His scuba suit! Wow, it makes another appearance. I thought it only makes one appearance. Well, at least we got to do it. Use it again. Nice. Okay. So, we need Robin's scuba suit ASAP. Okay, Robin, need you to get out there. Oh no, he's stuck. Robin, come on, you almost there. Almost there. There we go. Now you're unstuck. Whew, I thought I had to restart the game. Alright. So, now we need to go down. And do that. Oh, makes that. Cool. Alright. I got another deer. But I want it. I want that. Hello. Goodbye. Come on. There. Yeah, no, saved another civilian. Awesome. I still can't get that, though, so that's still sad. Alright. Can I break these? And I can go up here. And grab that. Haha. I'm awesome. Wait, can I grab... I think I can grab that. Alright. Okay, let me try again. Nice. Come on. Nice. Haha. Wow, almost up to true hero. There's a few more of them. Oh, wait. I can build something here. Oh, wow. Right now. Perfect. Nice. There's another carrot. What's with this game and carrots? Wait, Catwoman? What are you doing here? I thought it was Bane. Wasn't Bane part of this? What? Oh. Oh, God. You alright? Okay. Ow. Go away. Come on. Back, kitty. This has got to be a short level. There we go. What am I doing here? I'm not sure. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Almost would have missed that. I see one up there, but I can't reach up there. That's sad. Okay. Oh, what can I do with this? Come on. Let's see. Can I break these? No, I cannot. What can I do? I can't do that. Okay. I see that. What is that supposed to do? Am I supposed to use that against him? No. No. What am I supposed to do? I definitely know. I don't think I'm supposed to go that way. Come on. Go away. Okay. Okay, something to do with this. Alright. Do I have to break that? Hello? Do something. What am I supposed to do? Okay, I can just do that. What am I supposed to do? Robin, try to swim down there. See what you got. Nothing? Huh. Nope, nothing. Okay. Let's see. Obviously, I'm supposed to do something with this. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Alright. Can't break that. Ow. That hurt. What do I do? I can move that. What the heck? And I can keep on fighting you. I can't really harm the penguin. Because he's up there. Oh! Oh! Okay. That wasn't like that. Okay. Bye? Okay. That was I didn't know what to do there. Nice. Oh. Turn that way. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I realize what to do next. I'm gonna just grab these and start harming you. There. There we go. And turn that way. That was really hard. I thought I pointed up there, though. Whatever. Come over here, penguin. Little penguin. See. Okay. That way. Okay. And a little bit that way. Okay. Come on. Ow. Come on. Let's go. Alright. Okay. Angle it probably that way. There. Nice. Come on. Throw me a penguin. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Nice. There we go. Alright. Nice. Okay. That broke. Now it's time for the penguin to die. There, where are you? Where'd you go, penguin? There you are. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. There we go. Come on, let's beat a little midget. There we go. There we go. Do other things to destroy? Hang on. Didn't know that. Hang on. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Alright, let's go grab that. Nice. I'm at death's door. There we go. Come on, penguin, fall. Let's go. Come on. Die. Come on. Almost there. Okay. Almost there. There. Take us. Nice. Woohoo! We defeated the penguin. Oh, and this dish is destroyed. Perfect. Uh-oh. The penguins. They self-destructed? I thought they were real penguins. Well, technically. Real-ish penguins. Alright, time to go to jail. Time to go back to jail. Nope, you're not going anywhere. Where's Lena Kyle? There she is. You're not going anywhere. But apparently back to Arkham. Nice. We actually did it. Wow. We did it like under that. Huh. Alright. Yeah, we got that. And we got so much coins. Or studs. Mini kits. Alright. That's it. Now let's finish the story. Alright. Time to go to Arkham. Put all you back in your cells. There we go. Arkham Asylum. Yep. Oh, there's Bane. What? Huh? I don't remember Hidden Bane. I remember you. And you. You were the from there first. What? Alright, Penguin. Get in there. Yep. Wait, they could, like, squeeze in, though. Huh. Weird. I could probably never get that. Anyways. Nice. We got 17.3% complete. Yeah, skip that. Alright, so next up for us, it's going to be... We're going to take... Well, let me just... clarify here. I misplaced my brain somewhere. Next up, we're going to take to the skies, I guess. And to face Joker. I can't wait to face him. He's like Batman's main arch nemesis. Even though he won't probably admit that. Probably just drive Joker crazy. Alright. So. It's gonna be one interesting flight. I guess. Because, honestly, I'm still kind of confused about why we didn't face Bane. I mean, we faced, like, the others in the other game. Pretty much all of them. Why did we only face, like, 4 of them? 4? Yeah, 4 of them. I don't know. I really don't know. I even played this, and I definitely forgot about this. Alright. So, let's go over here, grab all this, and bid you all farewell. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Guys, we completed the Batboat chase, and next time, we're going to take to the skies in our Batwing. I mean, just take a look. Just take a look at that. That one looks awesome. I mean, the newer one that they made kind of looks smaller, but it's still alright. It still looks like the Batwing. But this one looks like epic. They is like humongous, though. I really prefer that one than the one I have. I mean, it's fine. I don't know. I mean, whatever. It's fine. At least we got a new one. That's all I have to say. So next time we're gonna go to the sky and the Batwing. So anyways, guys, I'm out for my see you crew next episode. Bye bye.